In recent years, it was common to install thermal insulation with stable elements on building sites. Examples include mats or boards made of glass, wool, rock wool, and other compound materials. Paradigm Panels is excited to provide yet another ecological and sustainable solution, the X-Floc. The X-Floc is a state-of-the-art insulation blowing machine. Blowing insulation consists of loose thermal insulation materials injected into the building element. It brings great advantages in terms of economic efficiency and consistent, high-quality insulation for wood construction companies and prefabricated house manufacturers. The operator enters the width, depth, and height of each wall cavity. The system then calculates the required mass and blows in the exact amount. This means 100% quality control, and that is something that could never be achieved on site. The speed of insulating is significantly faster in the factory under optimal conditions. There is no setup time for equipment. It is safe, efficient, and there is zero waste. X-Floc stands for climate protection through ecological and sustainable insulation, and Paradigm Panels is committed to making important contributions to climate protection.